Contemporary designed kitchens provide an enhanced level of luxury and offer a choice of doors and stone worktops. All homes come with an elegant induction hob, extractor, oven and combination oven microwave, and a range of integrated appliances. All bathrooms and en-suites come fitted with ceramic wall and floor tiling and vanity units as standard. Antico flooring to kitchen, utility, cloakroom, kitchen family room. A choice of carpeting to lounge, dining room, study and bedrooms, as well as staircases and landings. Fitted wardrobe with shelf and hanging rail to bedroom 1.
The marketing suite is now open, so if you'd like to view one of these beautiful homes in person, please don't hesitate to get in touch.